Good morning, Braves. This is Mrs. Koppel with one last challenge to round out our 2 weeks of e-learning. Now, I hope this is our last challenge because I hope this is our last day of e-learning. So with that in mind, we've got to get some of the snow to melt, and that's what we're going to do today. In this challenge, we're going to melt snow. For this challenge, all you need are 2 plates, some salt, and some snow. I have some here in a Tupperware. You know, when we got this snow, you saw big trucks out spraying stuff all over the roads. That stuff was a salt solution. Why salt? That's what we're going to find out today. So on one of our plates, I'm going to take some of our salt and I'm going to sprinkle it fairly generously, meaning a good amount of snow on the bottom of our plate. The other plate I'm going to leave alone. On our plate, I'm going to put about half of the snow on this one. I'm going to spread it out pretty good. And the other half of the snow on this plate. All right, that's it. Nothing fancy here. Just plates, snow, and salt. On top of the snow that I had the salt on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of the snow. Now, here's what you're going to do. You're going to watch your plates of snow. And if you're the kind of person that likes to set a timer, use your iPad and set a timer. Which plate of snow do you think will melt quicker? Do you think it's the plate with salt or the plate without? I'm going to keep them in the same location. If I move them away from each other, I'm putting them in different areas of my house, or in this case, the school, and there are other factors that could affect the melting of the snow. So we want to keep our variables, in science is what we call them, the same. We're going to keep them in the same area, on the same kind of plate, and we're going to just wait and watch.
On second thought, boys and girls, you probably should do some e-learning work while your snow is melting. It does take quite some time. On the left, we have our plate with the salt, and on the right, we have our plate without the salt. And as you can see, the plate with the salt is melting quicker. You can even watch it melt in this video. Why does this happen? Well, salt lowers the freezing point of water. This is called freezing point depression. And it's a really cool concept, and it's why we use salt on our roadways. Boys and girls, I hope you've had fun with this experiment, and I encourage you to melt as much snow as you possibly can today. Melt it with the salt, melt it with all the positive thoughts that you have, and hopefully we'll see you right back here at Vienna Findlay very soon. Have fun melting. Send me your photos of your snow and you in action. Have fun. Clean up.